everyone. I'm Gayatri and I'm going to be discussing about my week 2 assignment in Geographic Information Technical Foundations. The topics covered in this presentation would be to understand the difference between large scale maps and small scale maps. These map examples will also further discuss about the map scales used, projections, and coordinates used. This is the first example of a small scale map. A small scale map is a map which has a large area with very less detail in it. This is a map of the world which shows the population density in the year 2015. The scale used in this map is the number of people per kilometer square, which is a verbal scale. This map, in terms of projection, is true to its shape and area because, as you can see, equal importance is given to the um, area of each part of the world. The second example is that of the corruption uh, that persists all over the world. Um, this is another example of a small scale map where there's a large area shown but very less detail. The kind of scale used on this one is a graphical bar, where the scale shown has a score of 0 to 100, where 0 means that there is less corruption, and if the scale reaches close to 100, it means that the corruption is really high. Also, in this example, the kind of projection used is true to its shape but not its area, because not every part of the world is given an equal area in its display. Lastly, this is an example of a large scale map where a very small area is displayed with more amount of detail. This example is the kind of soil deposits in central Italy in a place called Cascia. The kind of coordinates used in this map is the most commonly used latitude and longitudes. And the scale used for the map is that of a representative fraction. The scale shown here is 1 is to 100,000. Thus, we discussed about almost everything that we have learned from our video lectures about the different map scales, which are representative fractions, verbal scale, and graphical scale. The different coordinates that can be used, and the projections um, or the distortions, which include different factors like being true to its shape, area, direction, or distance. Thank you.